What did Mr. Satyapal Malik, appointed by Mr. Modi as governor of first Jammu Kashmir and then Goa, say? Mr. Satyapal Malik said, and he is on video, you all have shown, he said that in Goa there were complaints of big and petty corruption, which he reported to the Prime Minister. And Prime Minister called him back, Satyapal Malik back, to say these allegations may not be correct. So when Satyapal Malik asked Prime Minister Modi ji, on what basis are you saying so? So Satyapal Malik revealed that the man who was taking money sitting in Chief Minister's residence is the person who was being quoted by Prime Minister. How was a man who was sitting allegedly in CM's residence taking money talking to the Prime Minister of India in Goa? Governor Satyapal Malik also said that when he was in Jammu and Kashmir as governor, Hasind Rabu and Ram Madhav is a former general secretary, they came to him with a deal of over 300 crores. It was reported to the Prime Minister, Modi ji took no action. I thought this was a government of na khaunga na khane dunga. But now it has become a government of sanctioning 40% commission. That's why the double engine government is double engine droha. They took no action. PM sat like a Moni Baba for 4 years, took no action against ministers, against chief ministers, on scams, on job scams, on statements made by Mathadishas, Dingleshwar Swamiji or Lingayat Swamiji, on letter written to him by the Contractor Association, on letter written to him by 40,000 private school association RUPSA. Now we know why. Because sadly, Prime Minister appears to have condoned 40% commission. His call to Mr. Ishwarappa, which has been shown by all television channel of Karnataka, proves that today. It's a sad letter day for India's democracy when Prime Minister of India sanctions by his acts, by his conduct, by his conversation with people who were removed as ministers on charges of 40% commission, but completely ignores family of Santosh Patil. We demand an explanation. We demand an explanation from Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Modi ji, you are senior in age. You hold an august office. We respect your age and your august office. But your conduct has brought down the prestige of that office that people respect. BJP has now officially put its stamp of approval on the 40% commission. People of Karnataka will not pardon you, will demand answers from you every time you come to Karnataka.